Somebody's crying bolo. Somebody's crying bolo. I need you love today. I need you right away.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Fortunate and I'm so happy to have you back here on this channel. I want to use this medium to appreciate our subscribers. Now we are over 300 plus subscriber right now. Last week we celebrated 200 subscribers. Now we're over 300 plus subscribers, and our last video we reached more than 1,000 viewers. Wow, that's really massive. This really shows that you are supporting me, and this support keeps pushing me forward to make more research for international students to study abroad. Thank you so much for supporting. And if today is your first time on this channel, I will implore you to click on the subscription button and subscribe to this channel so that anytime we release a new video, you will be part of the first people to receive a notification. And when you are subscribed, make sure you try to click on the notification button down below so that you will receive a notification when we drop a new video. So before we proceed, I want you to know that I am not an immigration officer, and also I'm not an agent. Every information I'm giving to you right here on this channel, you can make more research on it yourself. I'm just trying to use this medium to help international students to further their study abroad. Okay, today what are we looking into? I believe a lot of people always have challenges to relocate abroad or to proceed to further their study abroad, because especially when you don't have financial stability to proceed, or maybe you don't have anybody to sponsor you, or you've tried to apply to some scholarship, you didn't meet their requirement, maybe due to low grade or other things. So today I don't want you to be down, I don't want you to feel weary or see it as end of the road. No, every problem always have a solution. Today I have a way out for you, and I will employ you, and I will advise you also to try to make use of the opportunity. Who knows, your application might be accepted. So I will be sharing with you some tips on how you can get student loan from 2 organizations, and also I will be showing you how you can apply to this organization. I will show you how you can submit your application to this organization. But this video will be for the first organization, then the next video we are going to release will be for the second organization. So I want you to watch to the end because it is very important for your own interest. Okay, the first organization that we'll be looking into, so let's go. The first international organization that gave out loans to international students that we'll be looking into is MPOWER Loan. So you need to search on Google, search for MPOWER Loan. After you search for MPOWER Loan, click on the first option on the list. Yes, now you can see the page. This is how the page will look like once you search for MPOWER Loan on Google. And after that, you can see something like fund to achieve your study abroad dreams. Before we proceed, I want you to know that these schools, they have a lot of universities and a lot of colleges in US and in Canada they partner with. This simply means that they didn't partner with all schools in US and all schools in Canada. So I will show you some of the schools that they partner with so that you can be aware. I will show you some of the schools in Canada and in US that they partner with. So under it, at the top, you can see where it's written get a loan. Now under get a loan, you can see apply now, learn more, you can see school with support, and also you can see refer a friend. So now we need to check the school they support. That is what we're after right now. So click on school with support. Very good. After you click on school with support, you can see MPOWER network of schools in the US and Canada. We support the top 400 plus colleges and universities in North America. Find your schools on the list. So they have a lot of universities, like 400 plus in US and in Canada that are supporting. You can see one is ATST, University of Earth Science. You can see a lot of schools. You can see some of the options here. So at the end of this video, you can just take your time to check the description box. I will drop the link of the universities that they are supporting so that you can try to go through it before you apply for the loan. Mind you, if you've not subscribed to this channel, I will implore you to click on the subscription button so that anytime we release a new video, you'll be the first to receive a notification from your side. So let's proceed. Let's try to go back one step and see. Very good. Now let's proceed. Let's get started. Click on get started. Once you are back on this page, click on get started. Very good. Now what you're going to see on the page again after you click on get started is fund your dream start here. Funding your dream start here. One thing that I love about these schools, and I've heard about the testimony from different people, is that this school, this international organization rather, they don't accept collateral, and that's very good one. This is like one of the best loan I ever seen, that they won't accept collateral from you. So if you are applying, you don't need any collateral or any cosigner to study in US or in Canada. And also, before you can apply, you make sure you get your passport ready so that it can make your application more faster. You need to get your passport, I mean your international passport, not biometric, international passport. You need to make sure you get it ready so that it can make your application more faster. Then another one is, it should take only 20 minutes to complete your application. So it can only take you like 20 minutes or less before you complete your application. So now let's proceed and click on start application. Here you go. After you click on start application, this is the page that you're going to see. You will see a page, you are on your way. Let's start with the basics, preferred name. So now under the preferred name, you need to put the preferred name must be your first name. So now I have a name I want to use. I'm not going to use my real name. I'm going to use a test just to show you. The name I'm going to use is test. So when you're putting this down, just make sure you put your name. Don't put test, okay? You don't need to put test. Just put your own real name or your own first name. And under this, just put I'm gonna put another one which is also test, which is like for my first name. Then for my legal last name, I'm gonna put test, or let me put application. Yeah, I'm gonna put application. When you're putting this down, just put your own name, or your own first name, your own last name, your own legal name, and also your email. You need to put your correct email, because one thing also about MPOWER is that they will always send you messages from time to time. They will always send you messages from time to time just to keep in touch with you, just to make sure that you apply, make sure that you get everything done, so that they can assist you. Also, if you need their help, they always communicate with you through your email. So make sure you put down your correct email so that they will be able to reach you anytime you're having difficulties, or maybe they want to pass some information to you. So now I'm gonna put my own email. Okay, I put down this email. 1 minute. So now after you put down this email, just try to scroll down to next. Very good. Now after you click on that, this is what you're going to see. This is what you're going to see after you click on next. Now you can see nice to meet you test, which is the name I put down. Now what brings you to MPOWER? Now you need to answer this. If you are thinking of studying maybe in a school, you can just click on I'm thinking of studying. And if you've already applied to a school but you've not been accepted, you can just click on I've applied to a school but I've not been accepted. And if you've already been accepted to a school but you've not enrolled, just click on this option. I mean the schools that they are partnering with. And also if you've already currently enrolled in the school, just click on I'm currently enrolled in the school. And also if you are currently enrolled in the school but you want to change, or maybe you want to transfer to another school, you can just click on I want to transfer. So now I'm gonna pick I'm thinking about studying, just to show you what it looks like. Very good. Now after you've clicked on that, it's gonna show you another page that says integrate. You are already thinking about funding. What US or Canada school are you interested in studying, like in attending? So I have a school in mind, because I check also when I try to check some of the school that they support. I pick a school, so I'm gonna input the school, which is Lethbridge Universities. So now once you search your school, immediately you will see it pop out from this option. So now I'm gonna click on University of Lethbridge. So it's not necessary you pick University of Lethbridge. You can pick the best option for you, the best schools that you've already made research on. Just pick on these schools. Then after that, you click on next, and let's see what it's gonna show us again. Okay, now it says it looks like you already have an application in process. Yes, I tried to cross check earlier by putting down my information. So now just to show you, I'm gonna click on start new application. But when you are applying, it will show that it will just show the page that will appear right now. So let's click on start new application. Now this is what you're going to see. You won't see where they apply or anything. Now they're asking again that what type of degree do you plan to receive? Is it masters? Is it MBA? Is it PhD? Is it JD? Is it bachelor? Is it MD? Is it DDS? Is it LMM? Is it associate, or is it bootcamp? So I'm gonna click on masters just to show you. Okay, now they're asking that what is an estimate. Okay, what is your expected graduation date? That's what they're asking right now. So for masters, it should be like 2 years. So 2026, I'm gonna pick a September. So you need to know when you're going to start your master's before you pick any date. Then what is your expected program date? Okay, and if you don't know it, just try to put one estimate. It's fine. So when it's going to start, it's going to start next year. Let's see, next year August it's going to start. Then after that you click on next, and it's going to take you to another page again also, where now they're asking us that how did you hear about us. Now if you hear about them from online search, maybe from your research, you can just click on online search. If it is from loan or admission consultant, you can just click on that. If it is from a friend, click on from a friend, and if it is from a university or website, you can just click on that. And also, maybe you can't find the option, you can just click on show more, then try to look into this and try to click the best option for you. So on mine is I check it online, which is from research. I'm gonna click on online search, then I will scroll down to where I see what is your citizenship country. They are asking which country am I from. I'm in Nigerian, so I'm going to import Nigeria. If you are from Kenya, if you are from South Africa, if you are from Ghana, just try to pick your country, and after that it will pop out. Then you click on next. So if you click on next, you can see one more thing. By clicking on agree and continue, I hereby consent to receive email from MPOWER and acknowledging that I have read and agreed to the privacy policy. So I try to check through the privacy policy. There is nothing special there, so you can just take your time to check it also, and click on I have read and agree. And after that, you can see I consent to share information with the following groups regarding my application for the purpose of facilitating my application. This consent is not required to proceed with a loan application. So you can just click on that, and you might not see University of Eligibility, but you will see the school that you picked earlier. Then after that, you click on agree and continue, and let's see what it's going to show us again. Now it's loading. It says thanks test, we are checking your eligibility status. Now this is the sweetest part of it. It says you are eligible. So now congrats on taking the first step towards funding your education. Here is how to proceed. The first one is you need to plan your funding option. The second one is you need to get university placement app, and the third one is you need to exploit student resources. So let me just break this down. Under the plan your funding option, what they are saying there is that you need to make sure you calculate all your funding. They want to know the estimate of the amount of money you might need for your tuition, for your accommodation, and for everything. You need to make an estimate. That's why I said it's better for you to check the school that they're supporting. Try to check the school's tuition fee. Try to check the living expenses over there and calculate everything together, because when you know that, that's when you can input everything down correctly. Then another one is you can get university placement app. So if you need help on getting admission to some of the schools that they're supporting, you can just click on I apply now. Then they will help you, and they will send you an email on how you can apply. And the third one is exploit student resources. Prepare to study abroad, experience with our experts. So everybody that apply to this for this loan, they always assign them an expert that always keep in touch with them. And I can tell you, once you put your email, immediately you receive a message from them, and from there they will take it up from you. Another one is they said already applied or have an admission letter, finish my application. If you already applied to a school that they're supporting, or maybe you've already gotten your admission letter, you can just click on this option that says finish my application. So that's all about MPOWER. If you need any help, maybe you need anything regarding knowing more about this loan, or maybe knowing more about international students in abroad, or maybe you want to get to know more on how you can apply to some school, maybe cheaper school in Canada, or maybe US or Turkey or anywhere, you can just try to comment below under the comment section. Trying to input your question, then later I will reply to it. Or maybe you want to communicate with me privately. You can see my Instagram handle and my TikTok handle displaying on the screen. Try to reach out to me over there. So this will be the end of this video. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for taking time to watch this video. I really appreciate you. And if today is your first time, as I said, and you've not subscribed to this channel, this is the only help you can do for me, just to keep me pushing, like keep me forward. Click on the subscription button down below and subscribe. Like the video, share your friends and family. Once again, my name is Fortunate. See you next week in my next video. Bye bye. Thank you so much.